I'm Dr. Ellie Woodacre, and this is an introduction to HS2803, the Renaissance Court. So again, in the Renaissance Court, we're going to be looking at three kind of major elements. We're going to be looking at the kind of components of court life. So we'll be looking at the courtiers themselves, thinking about the role of particular specialized courtiers, such as ambassadors. We're looking at mistresses and favorites and the kind of tensions and factions that they can create at court. We're going to be thinking also about the role of princes, both male and female. So we're going to be thinking about kind of the expectations of both kings and queens. We're going to be thinking about kind of the gender dynamic and what happens when the ruler is female. And we'll also be thinking about princely patronage. And then finally, in the last section of the module, we're going to think about the kind of spatial dynamic of the court. So we're going to be thinking about palaces, the spaces that the court inhabited, and how those were constructed and framed to kind of echo the structure of the court themselves. We'll be thinking about courts on the move and progresses, and we'll also be thinking about the relationship between courts and capital cities as well. So lots to think about. And again, this period we're looking at roughly 1400 to 1700 with a European focus, but also global comparatives in terms of three Islamic courts. So the courts of the Mughals in India, the courts of the Ottomans in the Ottoman Empire and kind of modern day Turkey, and also thinking of Safavid Iran. So lots to look at here, and I hope that you will enjoy this exploration of this kind of dynamic and exciting period and these very interesting figures that we'll be looking at in the Renaissance court.